In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the finally block in Python programming. The finally block is a special block of code that always executes regardless of whether an error has occurred or not in the try except block. Now let's dive in and see how it works. This is a simple demonstration of a try except finally block. In the try block, we are attempting to divide 1 by 0, which will raise a zero division error. The except block catches this error and prints an error message. Regardless of whether an error was caught or not, the finally block will always execute. You can see that despite the error in the try block, the finally block still executed. The finally block is useful when you have some code that you want to be executed no matter what, for example, closing a file or a network connection, or releasing resources. Now let's see what happens when there is no error in our try block. Here, we are attempting to divide 1 by 1, which will not raise a zero division error. Therefore, the except block will be skipped, but the finally block will still execute. As you can see, even though there was no error and the except block was skipped, the finally block still executed. This is the main purpose of the finally block. And that's a wrap on our tutorial on the finally block in Python. Remember, the finally block is a powerful tool for ensuring certain code always runs, regardless of whether errors occur or not. Practice using it in your programs. Happy coding!